I've been up here now for about, I suppose about 2 hours, and I've just been doing a general appraisal. I've been doing a bit of cleaning, a bit of chrome. I've cleaned a little bit of the chrome off. It will come up if you give it, rub it hard enough. I've done a little bit of seat cleaning, and I've done a little bit of engine dismantlation. Now, I got to get the carburetors off because they need to be cleaned. As you know, they are horrendously filthy, and so is obviously the valley, and obviously the hoses. I think the rad's bollocks as well, to be honest. I have a horrible feeling the radiator's of course gone. But it's got absolutely what you could say this in it. See this? See this? This is what's in the radiator. It's full of it. It's absolutely solid. So I think we have to flush that out. So I think the rad's going to come out of it tomorrow. Obviously the bits and pieces that came off, yeah, all unbolted, rather easy. And the sort of, how do you say, chrome work, well, I've been looking at it. I mean, it just needs a really damn good clean with some wire wool and some solid water salt. And I think most of it would come up quite nice. So obviously that's a different job. That the chrome in the interior is a different job. That's not my job. That's not my job. My job's to get it running. And at the moment, it's not looking well. I think say the carburetors are buggered. They're absolutely solid inside. They're solid with crap, so they're going to come off. Brakes actually holding brake fluid, but so there's obviously, but there's something happening. So there's something not right. Well, we'll get it up in the air because of that. We need to change the oil in it, change the filter in it, and sort out the carburetor, sort out the ignition, sort out the radiator, and then hopefully we'll go for a first start of the 21,000 mile 2.4. Yeah, looking good. So this video is obviously for just showing that I've actually have been up here now for, I'd say, I don't know, 2.5 hours, probably plus actually. So yeah, time consuming car. This is what costs the money. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.